Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys are having a great week so far. So today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. If you guys are new to my channel, I do partner together with them every season to show you what is inside their subscription box. So today I will be unboxing the Summer 2018 box. Fabfitfun is a full-sized seasonal subscription box. So you get beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products inside every 3 months or every new season. And I think it's a really fun way just to kind of discover some new products, some new brands, and I like Fabfitfun because it's not strictly a beauty subscription box, but you still get a touch of like beauty and skincare on occasion mixed in with some other products that are just really fun for the season. The box is $49.99 every season, but you can actually get $10 off your first box if you guys are interested. I'll put a code in the description box below and on the screen. The great part is that the value of the box is over $250. Let me know what you guys get in your box because they do give you the option to customize different products. So this is what I got in my box, and I want to hear from you. Let me know which products you guys chose in the comments below. Otherwise, let's jump into it and I'll show you what's inside. So here's what the box looks like. It's really fun and colorful. It does say in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society on the outside. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Pier 1. This is actually one of my favorite stores for home decor. They have a lot of cute things, especially seasonal things. So we've never got anything from this brand in our boxes before. Okay, so this is a little marble and gold tray. It's super cute. I love marble. I love gold. It goes perfectly with my home decor, although I've kind of been pulling in some darker pieces lately, which kind of surprised me because I do love like lighter, brighter pieces, but this is absolutely perfect to catch like your keys or loose change or your rings or your bobby pins, and I think they're really cute and they're just like great catch-all trays, so I absolutely love this design. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Foreo, and I'm honestly really excited about this because I've been wanting to try something from this brand, but I honestly just didn't know which model to get and I didn't know where to start. The reason why I personally was interested in this brand in the first place is because I feel like it's more ideal for sensitive skin. I've tried like those spinning brush heads in the past and they've always been a little bit too abrasive for my skin and they've made me break out, but I feel like these type of devices are a lot more gentle, so even if you have sensitive skin, in general they're going to work a lot better for you and they help you cleanse your skin better than just like your fingers can. I guess you can download an app and it's powered by Bluetooth technology and it has these sensors in it so it can actually, tell you more about your skin, which is super interesting. So I personally cannot wait to try this out. Okay, the next thing in here is actually a skincare product, which is great. And it's so funny because this used to be one of my skincare essentials back in the day. And then I must have run out of it or I must have replaced it with a different product because I kind of forgot about it. And then recently, a bunch of you guys have been leaving me recommendations to try this exact product, which is really funny. So it was on my wish list, but this is by the brand Vasanti and it is their Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. So it's basically an exfoliating cleanser and you can use it a couple of times a week. I used to use it like every other day because it was gentle enough that you could use it, more than once a week, but it did a great job at exfoliating my skin. It just kind of brightened up my skin tone, made my skin look really clear and even. So it looks like you had the choice between this product, a resistance band, or a wallet. So let me know in the comments below which one you guys chose. I'm excited about the skincare product just because I am so into skincare right now. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Erth Jewelry and it is a ring. I don't know if I've ever gotten a ring in my Fabfitfun box. I feel like I might have in a previous box, but when I get jewelry, I usually get like a bracelet or a necklace or earrings, so it's kind of fun to get something different. I don't wear a lot of rings. I have my wedding band. I don't even usually wear my engagement ring just because I just kind of like take all my rings off and then I forget to put it back on. So I kind of like this one because it's pretty simplistic. The band is very thin, it's really comfortable, and it's just kind of different and unique. So I think this is a really cute option. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. It is the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I know a lot of people are going to be so excited about this product. I actually did have this in my collection. I ended up giving it to a sister because I just have so many highlighters in my collection that I was trying to narrow it down. What I like about this palette is that it comes with 4 different highlight shades, so you can use them all individually or you can mix them together. A lot of times I would go in with one shade and then layer another one on top for like a custom color, and then you get a powder contour and a cream contour as well. The powders are very, very soft, but not powdery, not like overly powdery. So I feel like they make great eyeshadows. They blend really well on the skin. The highlighters are a little bit more on the dry side, so I actually think they're great for summertime because they stay in place really well. If you personally are not into highlighting and contouring, this is going to make a great gift for somebody. So hang on to it and pass it along to somebody on their birthday or Christmas because they will enjoy this product so much. The next thing in here is by the brand Coola. It is their classic face sunscreen, SPF 50, which is awesome because the higher the SPF, the better for me personally. I've actually been really great about applying SPF every single day, and I'm so proud of myself, but I've still been looking for like my essential sunscreen because the last one that I tried irritated my skin, and the one that I kind of use like on a daily basis, I switch out because I'm looking for like my perfect sunscreen, but the one that's my current favorite has a little bit of a dark tint to it, so it doesn't really match the rest of my body. So this one actually might be a great option for me because it is a moisturizer sunscreen all in one. It's vegan, certified organic, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, and it is TSA approved, which is perfect because we are actually heading to Cancun in a week and a half, and I cannot wait. We're going to celebrate our anniversary, so I know we will be in need of a good sunscreen down there. So I can't wait to try it out, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Elemis, and you guys actually told me that this is a really good skincare brand because I talked about it in a Fabfitfun add-on video, and a few of you were telling me it's one of your favorite skincare brands. So this one is the Papaya Enzyme Peel, and again, it's an enzymatic cream exfoliator. So you could actually choose between this product or a heat protectant spray. So this one's supposed to be a non-abrasive exfoliator. You're supposed to apply for 10 minutes and then rinse off. If you guys know me, then you know that I love exfoliators. They're like my absolute favorite skincare product. I just feel like a ton of you guys told me you love this brand, so that makes me even more excited to try it out and see if it works well for me. Okay, the last thing in here is by the brand Summer and Rose. So they actually said on the card that this is made from microfiber so that sand actually doesn't stick to it, which is such a good idea. It's also really soft. So mine has like a cute design on it. I'll hold it up for you guys. It has pineapples and leaves on it, and it's really adorable. So I can't wait to try it out. I've never tried out a microfiber beach towel, but it actually sounds really good in theory. So the handout says they're raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society, and there's a little picture of like a sea otter on here. This is so crazy because I was just talking about this in my Fabfitfun summer add-ons video. But my husband and I have been just making small changes to cut down on waste. So we use reusable bags when we go grocery shopping. We use metal straws instead of plastic straws. We don't use like those little baggies anymore, and just like little things. They actually said that if you make the pledge to use less plastic at giveasip.us, they will send you a free reusable stainless steel straw to help you keep your pledge. And it looks like they included like a paper straw in the box this month just to kind of give you a little reminder. So I love that. It's just a small way to cut down on waste, and it's just like a really easy, manageable step that you can do. So I definitely encourage you guys to get some reusable stainless steel straws. I will link my favorite in the description box below. I just got them from Amazon. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in the Fabfitfun summer box, I will put a link in the description box below. And again, you can use the code ANDREA to save $10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.